Doesn't matter about me. Want some popcorn?
Wait, is it the popcorn the sushi had now?
Yes.
You don't like that kind?
I like the kind I had last night, and that's the kind the sushi had.
Hey, Connor, airplane.
I've seen airplane,
Airplane.
yeah.
I'll try it later.
Yeah. Shelby and Ethan, or Nathaniel.
That is.
Connor, what are you doing with that? What are you doing with that, Connor?
They ate everything I made for them. Mom
I don't understand. What are you doing?
made an individual bag. I tell you what, that Oracle bed box is expensive and you can waste. They're very good.
Is it okay for him to put that skin board? Is it going to hurt it?
What?
Is it going to hurt if you put that
No.
skin board?
Yeah, no, well.
Undo that. You want to undo that tank? I don't know which sheet is it.
Oh, well, one's Casey's on top of Casey's leaves on top of
Oh, that's
chicken.
I thought you meant they were wrapped around.
Casey. Well, they will be if they get up. Casey.
Whoa.
That's a big one.
Oh, wow, mommy went under.
Whoa.
Out that far, yeah. Probably already under. Yeah.
We almost got it.
We almost.
It's hard to catch waves.
They're choppy. They're really choppy.
The right part.
Christy, does he get sunburned?
Yeah, I have sunscreen on him. Yeah.
Seems very fair.
Well, he hasn't gotten sunburn yet. But, yeah.
She calls it getting greasy.
Pardon?
Chrissy calls it greasy. Gotta get greasy.
You certainly have.
Fine.
Yeah.
He's digging his way to China.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's sitting in the water.
That dog needs.
There's water in there now?
Oh yeah, water's about 50.
Diaper must feel good.
I'd almost just take it off. But I'm afraid he hasn't pooped yet today, so. Connor, an airplane! Airplane!
Casey. No. Come here. Casey.
Casey, you're on camera. Behave.
Casey. Come to me. Come to mama. Come here. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Wait, you're not a beach person? Then why do you want a beach house?
Rental.
reason I'm not really strong.
Connor made friends.
We have umbrellas now. We have sunscreen. We have lots of things from getting burnt.
You gotta
The best thing I have is
I know. You need your toenails cut. Your mom's hand them.
I have a thing to cut toenails for dogs.
What?
I'm a good toenail cutter. The black toenail.
Are you?
Yeah. I just cut Domino's. Hard. He's tired.
Hit with the other two. This is that. Stop. Stop. Casey. Stop it. Daniel, do you need me really to go on the water with you? Do ya? Hey. What? Michael?